Jimmy Lee, what are your high net worth clients most worried about heading into 2014?
Well, they're asking us about the correction that might come, and a lot of the clients are concerned about the tapering from the Fed and if that's going to cause a correction to maybe turn into a bear market. And so that's really what they're asking questions about.
If you get the tapering and you get a spike in yields, where can investors find yield in 2014? Because even the talk of tapering hurt things like REITs and MLPs back last summer. If they do it for real, they could really get slaughtered.
Well, the first thing that we're trying to do is to educate our clients that a correction is not so bad and that we need one. I don't think we've had a 10% correction since October of 2011. So it's been a long time. As far as yield goes, on the fixed income part of our portfolio, we're managing that for a rising rate environment. So we've actually gone out in terms of the credit cycle, in terms of going out for yield a little bit more with higher yielding bonds, maybe some floating rate bonds, senior secured debt, in those types of areas.
And then with regard to things like real estate, I know that you also delve into non-traded REITs. What's your view on those things, especially for high net worth investors? They're not as liquid.
Right, and I think so for that high net worth investor, I think a percentage of the portfolio can go into an alternative asset class, which I think non-traded REITs and maybe private debt products offered through business development companies can fit. And as long as the client is suitable for that and it makes sense, I think those are great ideas going forward.
All right, thanks a lot, Jimmy Lee. And thank you for watching The Street.